So the first command is okay. I think I may write it. Okay. Oh, one second. You look like this at the second line. So first of all, you uh, you on the base environment, which is pre-installed environment. So first of all, you on the base environment. So how you run on the base environments? So that particular command is conda activate. So on running this commands conda activate, you see here this is base, yani that particular environment is created is base environment. And one is the important things that only one base environment is present at that particular workspace. You even create multiple environment, but base environment is only one. So if you wanted to create multiple environments, so before you create multiple environments, you can list all the defaults packages which is pre-installed on you install the Anaconda. So on list or a view that particular packages, the command is conda list. So these are those packages which by default runs you in your uh, system when you install the Anaconda. So let's create the an environment. So for this commands you can create an environment which is name is jojo env. Hyphen n belongs to the name, and n belongs to the name, and at the right side of its name, this is name. You can change according to your, if you wanted to change this name, you make your own name, so you can change it doesn't affect it. So basically here I have a problem of internets, so it takes a lots of time to move proceeds. So okay, so basically a jojo env particular environment is created. So on moving base environment, for moving base environment to that particular jojo environment, so the particular command is for moving base environment to that particular environment whatever you created at that particular time is conda activate that particular name of the environment. Like in my case it is jojo env. Okay, so on running this commands, you see look like here jojo env is here. You see jojo env is came here, look like. Okay, so you for this running particular commands, you see you move to the base environments into that particular environment whichever you created. So if you wanted to list, so you can list. So here you can see that two particular environments are present where asterisk belongs to the current environment. I think it means you are present at that current environment. So one of the environment is base environment, which is unique. You cannot create multiple base environments, but you can create another environments which is called virtual environments. This is base environment and another one is virtual environments. So here you are present at the virtual environments. So another commands is for removing that particular environment, you run conda env remove -n jojo env. For this, when you run this commands, you give an error. Let's see. Look at here, conda script .py env error argument commands invalid choice, remove choice from infigure, create export list, remove update. So basically this error this experiment tells that you cannot delete that particular environments until you came out to that particular environment. uh, Look at here, you are present at that instant of time is jojo environment, so you cannot remove that particular environment because you are present at that particular environment. For removing your environment, you can move to that particular environment into the base environments or the another environments, because at that instant of time jojo environment is running, is environment is created and it's continue running. So for deleting that particular environments, you move to that particular environments into another environments. It could be a base environments and the another one. So for moving to the another environment or a base environment, you can move conda, you can run the command conda deactivate. So let's see here, it look like base, means you are present at that instant of time is base environments. Now you can delete that particular environment is which is jojo environment. So two commands, there are two commands which removes that particular environments. One of them is conda env remove -n jojo env. One of them is command is conda env remove -n that particular name of that environments, and the another one is conda remove -n jojo env all. These two commands, on running these two commands, you can delete that particular environment. So I run the first command. So first command is conda env remove -n and the name of that particular environment. So in my case, it's, I think there is mistake, it's jojo env, I think, yeah, jojo env. My mistake here, my mistake, but error came here. So I run this command jojo env. So particular environment is deleted. So on seeing that particular environment is deleted or not, so you can run that command conda list. So here you see there is no presence of that particular environment, that is jojo env. One second. Okay, so if you run that particular commands that on moving to that particular environment which you create before deleting, you create. So conda activate jojo env. So you can see here error came because that particular environment is deleted. So this is the end of the video, wrap up the video. So I will see you in the next video. So please like the video, share the video.